Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be guiding you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to curve text in Figma. If you've ever wanted to make your designs a bit more dynamic or playful, curving your text around a shape, like a circle, can add that extra flair. And the best part, you don't need any plugins. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create beautifully curved text to use in your logos, social media banners, or anywhere you want that eye-catching effect. Let's jump right in. So first, let's start by creating our base shape. In Figma, you'll want to grab the Shape tool. This looks like a little circle icon in your left toolbar. Click on it and select the Ellipse tool. Now just click and drag on your canvas to draw a circle. Don't worry if it's not perfect at this stage. Sizing isn't too important yet. Think of this circle as a path, almost like a train track, and our text is going to follow along it. Next up, let's move on to adding your text. Select the text tool, usually shown as a T icon, and instead of placing your text randomly on the canvas, you're going to move your cursor very close to that circle you just made. You'll notice the cursor changes slightly when you hover right on the edge of the shape. This is Figma letting you know that the text is about to snap onto the path of the circle. Once you see that, click right on the circle's outline. Now go ahead and type your word or phrase. You'll see as you type, each letter automatically curves itself along the shape of the circle. If this is your first time, it can feel a bit like magic, so take a second to enjoy that moment. At this point, you might find your text looking a bit too tightly wrapped or, on the other hand, a bit too loose around the curve. This is totally normal, and it brings us to the next step. Here you have the ability to adjust the size of your circle to fine-tune how much, you guessed it, curve your text has. If you want the curve to be more dramatic, you can make the circle smaller. The smaller the circle, the more the letters bend around it, like wrapping a ribbon tightly around a glass. If you prefer a gentler, more subtle arc, just enlarge the circle. You'll see your text start straightening out and spreading along the curve, like writing along the edge of a big dinner plate instead of a teacup. This part might take a little tinkering, so don't worry if you need a few tries to get it just right. It's all part of the creative process, and that's pretty much it. You've curved your text in Figma. You can always go back and tweak the circle or the text to get the exact look you're after. Feel free to play around with font styles, weights, and colors while you're at it, too. Curved text is super versatile, and once you know this trick, you'll find plenty of places to use it in your designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Figma effect you want to learn. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward design tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.